In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Tradestation Watchlist. By the end, you'll have a clean, organized list of symbols you can monitor in real time, and you'll know exactly where to go to add, review, and manage those symbols with confidence. First, open a quotes or RadarScreen window. You can get there from the Apps menu or the toolbar. If you're deciding between the two, RadarScreen is the more powerful choice because it supports advanced scanning and sorting across your symbols, which is great if you want to track many tickers and quickly see what's moving. Quotes is a lighter option and works well if you just need a simple list. Once your RadarScreen or Quotes window is open, you'll likely see an empty list or some default columns with a toolbar at the top. This is where you'll build your watch list. Look for the Add or Lookup button or the plus icon. That's your gateway to bringing in symbols. Click it to open the symbol lookup box. In the lookup box, type the ticker you want and press enter or choose it from the results. For example, you might start with a well-known stock like AAPL. As soon as you add it, it will appear in your list. Repeat this process to build out your watch list, one symbol at a time. It's often helpful to group symbols logically as you go, such as focusing on a sector or a set of names you trade regularly. If you ever type a ticker and nothing shows up, double-check spelling and make sure you're selecting the correct instrument type from the lookup results. After you've added the symbols you want, take a moment to save and manage your list. RadarScreen makes this easy by letting you maintain multiple symbol lists so you can switch between them quickly. Maybe you want one list for tech stocks and another called My Focus List for the names you trade most often. Use the drop-down in the toolbar or the context menu to save your current list with a clear name. You can also rename a list later if its purpose changes, or delete a list you no longer need to keep things tidy. That's all there is to it. You've opened a Quotes or RadarScreen window, added symbols using the Add or Lookup button, and saved your list so you can return to it anytime. With RadarScreen's scanning and sorting capabilities, you're now set up to monitor your watch list efficiently and stay focused on the markets that matter to you.